Seeker waits for the knowledge. Knowledge ducks the non-seeker. I remember long back in 1985 or 86, Guruji was waiting for people to arrive so that he could start his teaching. So there were many genuine seekers and there were non-seekers. So Master made a statement, Guruji, that is how we have started using. So he said that the seeker waits for the teacher or the knowledge, and teacher waits for the seeker to receive the knowledge. And there is a huge difference. Non-seeker is busy in emotional dependence, mental immaturity, intellectual paralysis, fantasy, busy with the strong likes and dislikes, joy and the sorrow, hatred and the love. That develops your ego.